In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues into Jira in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need to head over to the Jira website. This is your starting point, so make sure you're using a browser you're comfortable with for smooth navigation. Once there, you'll be greeted with a login screen. Opt to sign in using your Google account by clicking on the Google button. This method is fast and ensures you won't forget any standalone passwords. With your credentials verified, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Look to the bottom left panel and locate the Filters option. Clicking this will open various filter choices, allowing you more control over your data and providing the pathway to your next step. Once you've clicked on Filters, direct your attention to the Search Work Items option. This link will be prominently displayed, making it easy to access. Click it to enter the area where you can further refine what you're looking to import. In the upper right corner of this new screen, you'll notice 3 dots. This menu is packed with actions and tools that are useful for managing your projects. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options and then select Import Work Items from CSV. This selection allows you to bring in bulk data efficiently. Next, a window will prompt you to select a CSV file. Click Choose File, and a new window will pop up, letting you browse your computer's directories. Ensure that you have your CSV file ready. This is crucial as it contains the data you'll import. Pick the file that you want to work with and confirm your selection. After choosing your CSV file, click Next to proceed. This step is a bridge to configuring important details, and you'll notice prompts that require your input. Fill in all necessary fields, including any project specifications or additional data requirements pertinent to your import. Now, it's time to configure settings to tailor the import to your specific needs. Key adjustments include setting your project type and confirming the file format. These settings are crucial for ensuring that everything aligns perfectly. Once your settings are squared away, the next focus is on field mapping. You'll need to align the fields in your CSV with those in Jira. This requires attention to detail to ensure that all data is imported correctly. Take a moment to confirm everything matches up. Finally, you'll map the actual values you wish to import. Carefully review them to ensure that everything appears as it should. This is your last line of defense before finalizing the import process. Once satisfied, wrap up the import and let Jira work its magic. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to importing issues into Jira. With practice, these steps will become second nature, amplifying your productivity and allowing you to manage projects with greater efficiency. Keep this guide handy and don't hesitate to revisit if needed. Happy importing!